Lether Co. March 2023 to Hank and Natural Wood Hook Speed Review. This month it is the Sly Fox Crochet or Knit Scarf pattern. You get 2 hanks of this beautiful Sly Fox colorway dyed by Ashley. DK 100% superwash merino, 231 yards. This is the hook made by her husband, absolutely soft and beautiful. There's a little fox stitch marker, a little packet of unscented soak, and what I'm thinking is their like signature little stitch marker. I got it in last month's too. So this variant is $62, and if you click the link in the description below, you will get money off and I will earn points towards their shop. So happy shopping, y'all.